Hi, this is Sherman with Highland Lapidary, and in this video I'm going to show you if your can is stuck in your EverClean, you can't get it out, how to get your can out. So I'm going to take the lid off my EverClean, and you'll see inside here I have an inner lid, and I got to undo that inner lid first. And I'll see the screwdriver's not too big. It may be too big for the inner lid. Nope, I can make it work. So you undo your 4 screws. And then I'm going to hold this and slip and pull my lid out. Now you'll see, look at that, there's a whole cone of sludge inside this thing. And my O-ring just popped off. Here's my O-ring, goes in there. And then if my can is stuck, like some of you guys say, oh, I can't get my can out because you haven't drilled the holes in here, you're going to put a screwdriver there and there, and you're going to pull up, and you're going to pull your can out like that. Now you may need a longer screwdriver, but you can see what I'm doing is I'm kind of getting that thing to pop out, and then you can get it pulled on out. So that's basically how you would remove your can from your EverClean. But this is kind of cool in here because you see, this is what I recently do, but you can see the sludge is being built up in this cone around the outside. So, and you look inside the saw, we've been cutting, but it's really pretty clean. Now obviously this is a little lighter rocks, hence you can see the lighter color. Prior to that we were cutting Laguna, so that's Laguna and Coyamito there, but this is that lighter lapis lace material out of Turkey. So, but that's the basic short on how do you get your can out if it's stuck. I do suggest that if your can does get stuck, do 2 things. One, make sure that your seal here has not shrunk and then therefore causing leaking to get the oil down behind there. And then watch the video that shows you how to drill some relief holes in your EverClean to let the coolant out, because that would be if you look in here, you'll see down in the bottom, you'll see there's 2 holes. Those we just drill with a hand drill if you got an older machine, and that lets that keeps the oil from getting stuck in the bottom and creating a vacuum with your saw. With your can. So I hope that helps. Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this, and down below in the description you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that, and leave comments if there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot. We're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.